In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to add charts in Notion using your Notion data. We'll start right on the Notion website. Once you're in your workspace, create a spot for your chart by selecting New Page. Think of this page as the home for your data and the chart you'll build from it. Give the page a clear, descriptive title so you can find it easily later. Having a dedicated page keeps everything tidy and makes it simple to share or embed elsewhere in your workspace. On this new page, it's time to bring in your information. Here, import your data. You'll use Notion's import option to pull in whatever you already have, such as a CSV or spreadsheet. When you choose your file, click Import to confirm. Notion will convert that file into a database on your page. If your file has headers, Notion will read them as column names, which helps a lot. Before moving on, take a moment to spot check that your columns look right and that any numbers you plan to chart are in number type properties. Clean column names and consistent data make charting smoother and more accurate. Next, enter the database that was created by the import. Simply open it in the page so you can see the rows and columns. If needed, you can adjust property types here, but the goal is just to make sure everything imported correctly. Once done importing, glance through a few records to confirm there aren't any unexpected blanks or misaligned values. That quick review can save time later. Now you're ready to add the visual. Place your cursor on the page where you want the chart to appear and click the plus icon to open the block menu. This is Notion's universal way of adding content, and it works anywhere on the page. From the block menu, then click Chart. Notion will insert a chart block and prompt you to connect it to a database. Choose the database you just imported on this page. Notion will use that data to generate a visual instantly. From here, you can keep the chart near your database so you can see data and visuals side by side. If the chart doesn't appear as expected, double-check that your key fields are numeric and that dates or categories are formatted consistently. You can also resize the block or move it higher on the page for emphasis. And that's it. You opened Notion, created a new page, imported your data, entered the database, and used the plus icon to add a chart. Save the page, and you're ready to share or iterate as your data grows.